Right, how's it going everyone? So we're going to try and clean up this area here. I want to make a little allotment space to grow some veg at home. So unfortunately something happened to my mic and I didn't get any audio for the next part of the video. So I'm going to try and do it like this and hopefully it'll be okay. As you can see, the decking is completely rotten. It wasn't usable for a long time and it's really dangerous the way it is. So I had to come up. And the plan for the area was to make a little allotment space. A couple of raised beds to grow fruit and veg, and hopefully there'll be some leftover space to grow something else. So if you've got some suggestions of what's nice to grow, then please let us know in the comments so we can have a go at growing it. So the first stage here is to rip up the decking itself, and the best way I've found in the past is to just use a circular saw and cut down the insides of the joists. It makes nice little manageable pieces of decking board to stack and carry, and also leaves a lot of the screws and nails in the joist itself, just trying to make it a bit safer because old rusty screws and nails sticking out the bottoms of joists and decking boards aren't nice to deal with. So the frame just came apart really easy. As you can see, it's totally rotten. It's been there years, so that wasn't too hard to get rid of. So just raking through the debris, seeing what there is to work with, just clearing up the space. And I found a lovely little slow worm. So I didn't want it to get harmed, so obviously we just move him out of the way and put him somewhere safe on the other side of the garden and carry on with the cleanup. So just all of the leaves which are from the bamboo there in the tree and the old bits of decking that are rotten, just sweeping it up to make sure it's as clean as possible, and any screws that did come out are hopefully swept up in the pile to get rid of. So the next part here is to move these pads that the decking joists were sat on. By the looks of it, these are just some concrete blocks that have been cut in half and laid on some sand and cement to make a level area for the joist to sit on to then build your decking on. So obviously they need to be took out the ground because they're going to be in the way. So just digging them out, move them out the way and clean up the rest of the area. I've decided to turn the ground over just so I could fill in any of the holes, rake it about, make it as level as possible. And I think overall the ground looks pretty good, but if you have any suggestions on how to improve, then obviously let me know in the comments below. On to stage 2, I think. I've got that little bit there to do, but that's the majority done. Raked around, pretty level, not bang on, pretty good. So I'm going to build, I think, a bed there and a bed there is the aim. And then hopefully maybe get a small greenhouse here, put a little path between the beds so you can get round them nice and easy. See how we get along with making this into a nice little home allotment. Bit DIY, grow your own food.